Okay, now I'm ready to see if this class skeleton will compile. So let's hit the compile button, and it says that it compiles without error. Great. So now that this is compiled, I'm going to create a test class, because the next step in my development process is to create unit tests for each of the method signatures I've defined in the phone map. Okay, so for example, the first one is the translate method. So I'll create a test method for translate. I'll interactively record the calls, and I'll call it with A, B, C, D, E, F. And what I'm expecting to get back is 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. And then I'll edit that method in recording. And now I'm going to add a few more just like it. 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7. 8, 8, 8, 9. And this corresponds to GHI-JKL. This corresponds to NOPQRS. This corresponds to TUV, W, X, Y, and Z. So now I have a unit test that tests for correct translation of all the letters in the alphabet. So let me go on to the next method. Next method is add number, and it's supposed to take one of the numbers that it translated along with the corresponding word and add it to the map, and then return the number of words. So let me create a test for that. I guess I have to compile this. Now I can create a test method for it. Call add map. And if I pass it the account number 222 and my word AAA, then it should return that there was one word associated with that number. And if I call it again, I add 222 again, and this time with the word BBB. This time it should tell me that there's 2 words in that list. And if I add a different account number, it should tell me that there's only one word associated with that account number. Now I'll inspect the code that was generated. Good. When I add AAA, it's 222, it should say once. When I add BB, it should say there's now 2 words. When I add D, it should say there's 1 word. Okay. Next method is get results. So if I create test method for results, and I call get results, it should return a set which I'll have to create by editing the test case. So this set that I'm expecting to get back would be a set contains 222. So when I get that back, I'll call that set my actual results. And if I see if my actual results contains 222, that should be true. So maybe I don't need these right for the moment. Get results returns a string, and that string should contain 222. And the size of that should be 1. Okay. Add the imports I need. Create a set. Okay, see if this compiles. Okay, compiles without error. So now I have a very, very simplistic test here. So I'm going to add some more tests, but I'm going to do that offline. So I'm going to stop recording and then add some more tests.